Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best food truck generators in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Champion Power Equipment Inverter. For a gasoline generator, the dependability of this model inverter is one reason the offering should be celebrated. If you compare this model with its predecessors from the same manufacturer, you'll notice a lighter body. More in-depth examination will also reveal it is quieter in operation than other Champion 3500 watt generators that came before it. That said, it is still a noisy and heavy machine. The generator is also rated at 4000 W as its starting power output. However, when running continuously, a 3500 W output is what you should expect. This translates into 17 hours of uninterrupted power on a full tank. As such, this runtime is sufficient for food trucks provided you remember to refill the tank on time. Food truck appliances are also different in their power requirements. Thankfully, you have various outlets on the generator to service all of them. They include 2 120V 20A outlets, one 120V 30A RV outlet, and lastly a 12V DC outlet. Since this is an inverter generator, it can directly be connected to your food truck appliances without any danger of damaging them. Depending on the operation size, you may also need more electricity than what a single unit of this generator can provide. You have the optional parallel kit just for these kinds of situations. It allows 2 similar generators to be combined for higher electric output. Number 2. Our second best pick is Westinghouse 4500 watt Super Quiet Portable Inverter Generator. This compact gasoline generator from Westinghouse is perfect for food truck operators who have relatively modest power needs but want the option to power their generator on gasoline rather than propane. The generator has an output of 3,700 and 4,500 starting watts. The generator is also extremely fuel efficient because it is running on gasoline, which is an advantage for cost-conscious food truck owners. It boasts a runtime up to 18 hours with a gas tank that is just over 3 gallons in volume. This is thanks in part to the 224 cubic centimeters for stroke engine, which also keeps the noise of this generator down to just 52 dB at low power outputs at a cost that is a fraction of the comparable Honda generator. The generator panel features a huge variety of outlets, including a 120V 30A outlet for high-currency appliances, 2 USB charging ports for small electronics, and a 12V DC outlet for charging batteries. However, note that there is no option for switching to 220V or higher when needed. The generator also features a push-to-start function that makes it easy to start up. Overall, the generator is compact and easily portable thanks to the built-in handle and wheels. Number 3. Our third best pick is DuroMax XP 12000EH generator. This burly generator is designed for food trucks that simply can't get enough power from a smaller generator. The massive 457 cubic centimeters DuroMax engine provides up to 9,500 watts of continuous power when running on gasoline and can handle surges up to 12,000 watts. That offers the necessary power for running multiple refrigerators and freezers, multiple microwaves, and an air conditioning unit. While the generator itself is quite large and difficult to transport, if your food truck can fit all of the appliances needed to suck up its full power output, then chances are it can also fit the generator itself at the end of the day. The generator is also able to run on propane, which is an advantage given the generator's relatively short runtime. The low fuel efficiency of the large engine is to be expected, but having the nearly 8-gallon gas tank disappear in just 8 hours at half load can be problematic for food trucks that are open for long hours. Plus, operating this generator on gasoline all the time can quickly get expensive. Note that the generator is relatively loud at up to 74 dB, which can create a less than comfortable environment for your customers. The panel of this generator is built to match its massive power output. It features multiple 3-pronged outlets as well as two 120V/240V 4-pronged outlets to handle your most heavy-duty appliances with ease. The generator also has a 12V DC outlet to facilitate battery charging, and a built-in analog voltmeter displays how much wattage you are drawing from the unit at any time. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Generac 7683 GP6500 Portable Generator. This portable generator with CO Sense technology provides lots of power while protecting you and your home from carbon monoxide, CO, poisoning. If you inadvertently use the GP6500 indoors or in an enclosed space, CO Sense will automatically shut off your unit when increased CO is detected. This unit also offers Power Rush advanced technology, which delivers more than a 40% increased starting capacity. Generac's OHV engine and large-capacity steel fuel tank ensures long engine life and run times, while the steel tube cradle provides added strength. The low oil feature protects the generator from damage. This model generator can be easily transported across rough or difficult terrain with the heavy-duty wheels and easy fold-down handle. Even maintenance is a breeze, with the hour meter keeping track of necessary upkeep at regular intervals. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Honda Generator EU7000 is. It's hard to beat this incredibly quiet and efficient generator from vaunted engine company Honda. The generator produces just 58 dB of noise at full power, quieter than most conversations, so it won't interfere with the aesthetic around your food truck. The generator also boasts a massive 18-hour runtime at 1/4 load, so it will last the length of open hours for the majority of food truck owners. The unit is relatively compact and portable, with a lightweight frame that makes it easy to carry around. In terms of power, the generator is in the middle of the road. It is rated for 5,500 watts of continuous power and up to 7,000 watts of surge power, which can meet the needs of most food truck owners, which makes it the best inverter generator for a food truck. The front panel is equipped with 230A locking outlets and has the ability to output 250V of power when needed. Note that there are no USB outlets or 12V battery charger, which can reduce the utility of the generator for some purposes. The generator is extremely reliable thanks to the 389 cubic centimeters Honda engine inside of it, and it features a simple push-button start rather than the traditional pull cord. This engine is the source of the high fuel efficiency and low noise levels, but it comes at a steep price. This generator is by far the most expensive of any that we reviewed. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.